y'all thought Drake was lit in summer 16, JenMarie is gonna be lit all summer 19. Like, you heard it here first. You heard it here first. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. I'm back. So today's look we're doing, wait a second, I'm putting the carriage before the horse. Anyway, before we go any further, okay, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? You're here. You might as well be like Nike and just do it. Hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, make sure that you click on that notification bell so you'll know every time your girl comes to you with a new video. Okay? Help me help you. All right, now that we got the particulars out the way, in my last video, as I was saying earlier, that this is the season for holiday parties, holiday soirees, ugly Christmas parties, or what is it? Ugly Christmas sweater parties. I really don't indulge in those because there ain't nothing ugly about none of my sweaters. But anyways, I digress. 'Tis a season for holiday parties and all the way glammed up look. So today we are doing none other than an all the way glammed up look for the holiday party, whichever one you going to, okay? So this is the look that I created today, and if you're interested in seeing how I got there, just go ahead and keep on watching. Let me move my little mirror a little closer because your girl, she a little blind up here. But I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution. So, time out. So y'all know how sometimes you go to the store and you buy something, like it could be clothes, it could be makeup or whatever, and then you like just put it aside, and then you go months and months and months and months before you realize, like, oh hey, you know, I've never used this, or I find stuff in my closet that still has tags on it. I mean, it's a problem, yes, I know. But this is one of those things. So the Makeup Revolution Midnight Unicorn palette, we're gonna see what this does. Like, it had to be a sale. Ulta had to have extra points per dollar spent. Like, I don't know why else I would pick this up, but I did. So yeah, we're gonna play with it and see what these colors do. You know, we're gonna see. This looks a little cute. You know, a little cute. But yeah, anywho, I digress. What I'm gonna do first is, obviously, I'm gonna prime my eyelids because, I mean, that's what you're supposed to do, right? So I'm going to my first holiday party of the season, and I must say, like, I'm actually looking forward to this one because it is all about music. So I'm a member of the National Association of Recording Industry Professionals, also known as NARS. And they literally are an artist, songwriter's, you know, dream, because they literally have these pitch sessions throughout the year to where you can actually pitch your songs. And I'm actually, like, pitch your songs to, like, music supervisors. Like, music supervisors for Creed, Wonder Woman, what else? Venom. Why am I naming off superhero movies? Shameless, like any of the shows, anything you can think of, like where there is a music supervisor on set of a movie or a TV show, like they give you the opportunity to actually, you know, vibe out and really show your music. Once I can't think of anybody who I know for a fact got placed from doing NARS, like somebody that I know, but I have seen people actually get, like, signed to a publishing deal based on a pitch that they had, you know, done at one of these NARS sessions. And I was like, man, wait till my music is done. Me and my producers, that's all we're gonna be doing, just pitching songs. Okay, now I look weird, so that means we're in the right direction. We're going in the right direction. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to take my Japanese brush. It's the 724 brush, and none of these are actually matte shades. They're all shimmery shades. So we're gonna have some fun. So what I'm gonna do is, I think, because I'm trying to stay away from purples and pinks, because y'all know that's like my jam. So I'm just gonna take this color right here, this green color, and let me see. This is called Captivate, yes. So I'm gonna take Captivate and I'm just going to just place that all over my eyelid. I hope this look comes together. I hope it comes together. And I'm just gonna press it. And hopefully, I've only used Makeup Revolution palette once earlier this year because I had a video, the affordable drugstore tutorial. And yeah, I tried the palette, so we're gonna see if this holds up. If the pigment is cool, we're gonna see. And like, I'm hella messy with my eyeshadows. Like, that's just how I roll. If you're not messy with your eyeshadow, like, you're just not doing it right. Just not doing it right. And then I'm going to just pack that on as much as possible, because with this base, it just kind of, everything that sticks to it just is stuck for real, for real. And you have to have a real strong blend game to blend it out, which I have no problem with that. No problem at all. I mean, I'm not mad at the pigmentation. I wish it was a little bit more pigmented, but I mean, I'm not mad. Especially, I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I know Makeup Revolution, I know that their concealers, I mean, like, what, $8? So their eyeshadow palettes can't be that much, but I'll link this in the description box if they still have it. I don't know if this was a one-off or if this is here to stay, but I mean, so far so well. All right, so I'm just gonna take this color right here. It's the color Enchanted, and I'm just gonna buff that into my crease to knock off these harsh lines. And all of these colors are like shimmery shades, so it kind of makes me nervous, but you know, oh well. You live, learn, and you grow. We are at the point of no return in the makeup look, so we just gonna keep it pushing. Although, I do actually like the color, the two colors mixed together. It doesn't, I mean, it's cute. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take with a, ooh, what brush am I gonna take? Okay, so I'm gonna take, I don't even know what this brush is, but it's one of my little bullet brushes, and I'm just gonna go in, what is this? I wish that they would have these colors. Okay, so I'm just gonna go on my outer V with the color Spellbound. Yes, that's what it's called. No, Spellbind is Spellbind, okay. I'm just gonna go in with that color, and I'm just going to work that onto my outer corner, and I'm just gonna just pounce it onto my outer V. And mind you, I don't really care like how precise this is, because at the end I'm just gonna make it as straight as possible with a makeup wipe. So have no fear if it looks kind of cray. Like, there's a method to my madness. If you would, because I get like joy out of reading comments, which I'm more active on my Instagram and my YouTube, but for those of you all that watch my YouTube videos, I really want to know what kind of holiday parties y'all are going to. Which ones y'all are looking forward to, which ones y'all are dreading but y'all know y'all have to go, because there's like a couple on my list that I'm just like, y'all just gonna get a light beat, because I know, for one, I really don't want to be there. Two, I know y'all don't have a photo booth. And three, y'all aren't really in the spirit. Y'all are just throwing a party because y'all have to. But I really want to know what holiday parties y'all going to. All right, now we cooking with gas. I kind of like where we're going, so I'm just gonna kind of blend this out just a little bit, my black color, and make sure that it is gradient and not weird. Like, we don't want any beat up eyes, because the thing with working with black is you have to tread really lightly, because the last thing you want is to look like somebody tried to beat you up. I can dig the look in which we're going. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just go in with this silvery, what is this? I wish they would just have these. Okay, Dazzle, that's what it's called. All right, so I'm just gonna go in with this color Dazzle, and I'm just gonna work that onto my eyes until I feel good about it. But I'm going in with it dry first, and then I will spritz my brush here in a second. I don't know if this is gonna cut the mustard. It's not as pigmented as it looks. But before I pass judgment, I'm gonna put some primer water on here first, and then if it doesn't work, then I'll pass judgment and come up with a plan B. I'm just gonna use my Baby Prep and Prime and just go in with a wet brush and see what we come up with. Nope, 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 nope. No difference, no difference. All right, you know what? I'm done with this palette. I'm just gonna take my NYX glitter glue and we're gonna try something else. All right, now that my eyes are nice and gluey, I'm going to go in, oh, let me see. All right, I haven't opened this yet, so we about to see. This is the NYX glitter, metallic glitter palettes. And we just gonna work it out and see what happens. We're about to see what happens. I'm just trying stuff. 'Tis the season of trying stuff. We're gonna work smarter, not harder. So, just with that same brush, we're just gonna work it out. And I'm just gonna press and see what happens. Okay. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Now let me hold my breath and try the left eye. She fly. I ain't even gonna lie. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to go back in. I'm open this palette up one more time and go back in with Spellbind and just kind of make sure everything is gradient, you know, and fly. And make sure it's as smoky as possible. I guess that's what I'm going for. At this point, I'm just playing in makeup. Whatever I see, whenever I'm playing with makeup, I never really have any real like plans when I sit down here and turn on my camera. I have no plans. So 99.9% of the time, I done just sat in front of the camera, picked out some makeup, placed it on the table, and just, you know, started filming and playing. But yeah, you know, it's fine, it's fine. To make sure everything is cute, just gonna blend out the black shade, you know, make sure everything is straight and seamless. All right, I am back, so I had to go step off camera, get my eyes situated. I will put everything in the description box below, what I use: eyeliner, mascara, lashes, all that. But as I said before, like, if it ain't Ardell lashes, I'm probably not wearing them, but hey, I want to be as accurate as possible. So moving right along, what I'm gonna do for highlighter is I'm just gonna take this Chasing the Sun highlighter from the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie collab, and I'm just going to just kind of work that onto my cheekbones, see what we come up with. I really do like this. You know what other highlighter I really like? I love the Makeup Shayla. I love mixing those two together, but it's so messy, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. But it's like, if it was pressed, it would be so bomb. Like, I would pick it up way more than I do, but I'm like, man, I ain't got time to clean this up, so I just use the pressed highlighters. And then for blush, I'm gonna take an oldie but goodie. I'm just gonna be taking my Patrick Star blush in the color Take Me Home. Take Me Home. You know, if you have a really good time at the Christmas party, somebody might want to take you home. But only with your consent though. And then I'm just gonna dust that onto my cheekbones. Kind of mix it in with the blush, you know. Make it all nice and gradient, but not too much. Not too much. You know, the eyes is like popping, so we can't have too much going on the face. I'm gonna take my Boscia charcoal setting spray. I haven't used it in a while, so let's see if it's still good. For lips, I'm going to go ahead and try the Milani, what is this? Amore Matte liquid lipstick, and this is hella dark, but I don't care. Oh, I think that might do the trick. I think that might do the trick, because this is like blackety black. So I had to go get my NYX liquid, what is this? This is the dual chromatic lip gloss. This is in the color Fair Play. And I'm just going to douse that onto my lips. Gloss my lips down until I feel good about it. I totally forgot that I bought this summer and I hadn't had a reason to use it, but I think your girl might have found her reason. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look. Y'all, we veered a little to the left, took a wrong exit, now we're back on the highway, and here we have the finished look, okay? I'm not even mad about it. I actually like it. It's growing on me. The lips are a little dark, but hey, you know, I can do what I want to because makeup has no rules. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure that you like it. If you want to comment, leave me a lot of comments. Make sure that you let me know what you want to see next, all that jazz. Give me suggestions, all that. Like, your girl is open. Like, help me help you. And then make sure that you're checking in with me on my other social media platforms as well. We're kind of lit over there too. But yeah, anywho, that is all the time that your girl has today. So remember, until my next upload, the kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until next time, remember to be kind and be you.